Biomechanical devices constitute an essential category within biomedical technologies, integrating knowledge of biomechanics, materials engineering, and rehabilitation to restore or improve the function of the musculoskeletal system. These devices include both prostheses and orthoses, whose main purpose is to compensate for functional losses, correct deformities, or stabilize anatomical structures affected by injuries, neuromuscular pathologies, or amputations. In the field of prosthetics, a prosthesis is defined as an artificial extension that partially or totally replaces a missing body part, whether due to amputation or agenesis. In fact, prostheses can be classified according to their location: endoprosthesis or exoprosthesis, the materials used and the type of energy they require for their operation, distinguishing between internal systems, powered by the user, and external systems that incorporate electrical or hydraulic mechanisms or battery-powered motors. At the same time, smart materials play a crucial role in the evolution of these devices. These are materials capable of modifying their electrical, mechanical, or optical properties in response to external stimuli such as temperature, pressure, or electric or magnetic fields. As for orthotic devices, these are designed to correct, stabilize, or limit movement in patients with musculoskeletal or neurological disorders. Overall, biomechanical devices represent a convergence of technological innovation and clinical rehabilitation, aimed at restoring functionality and improving the patient's integration into their daily life.